Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
Mac-nut crusted mahi mahi with coconut chili lime vinaigrette. In a medium bowl, soften butter and add macadamia nuts, garlic, thyme, parsley, lemon juice and the zest with salt and pepper. Mix well. Season fish with salt and pepper. Sear fish on both sides and cool. Spoon macadamia nut butter over the fish and bake them for about 8 minutes at 350 degrees. In a saucepan, add the sweet Thai chili sauce, coconut milk, ginger, garlic, cilantro, and lime juice and heat until warm throughout. To plate, place the fish with poached choy and spoon sauce around the fish and enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktassuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.